Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve this LeetCode question which is count binary string. It is a very easy type of question. What this question says, let's see. This question says that we have been given a binary string S and we have to return the number of non-empty substrings that have same number of zeros and ones. Okay. What else it says that all the zeros and all the ones in a string should be grouped consecutively, which means all the zeros and ones should become consecutively, which is one after the another. Okay, it can be vice versa. And a substring can occur multiple times and counted the number of times they occur. So it means that 1 can occur two times in a substring and we will count it the number of times they are occurring. Okay, we don't have to consider the unique substrings. We can repeat them. So let's take this example. Here 0000. So what substrings we found here? One is this one 0011. Another one can be this 0011. One could be 1100. And what else can be 011001. So all these substrings can be total number of substrings. These are six. Okay. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 6. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to find this. So how we can do it? We can iterate from left to right and check our consecutive zeros and ones. And once our bit changes, we can update our previous, that is previously stored zeros or ones that are consecutively and currently stored zeros and ones that are we have. Okay, so let's see with the help of code easily how we can do it. What is given? It is given a binary string. Okay, this binary string we have been given. So how we can do it? We can take a variable in which we'll store the result, which is the final count of the number of substrings. Then we can take a variable in which we'll store our previous consecutive zeros and ones and our currently consecutive zeros and ones. Okay, then we can iterate through left to right, which is I equal to 1, I less than s dot size I plus plus. Okay, why we are starting from 1? Because we have to check 1 with the previous element, like s of I. We have to check if it is equal to s of I minus 1. Okay, if s of I is equal to s of I, this means we have consecutive bits, that is consecutive zeros or ones, then we'll update our current variable. Okay, else what we'll do? Else we'll update our previous, which means we don't have consecutive, which means that our bit has changed from 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 and our current would be 1. Okay, and if any case, if our current is less than equal to previous, then it means that we have found our group which has consecutive number of zeros and ones. Then we'll update our result. Okay, and we'll simply return our result, which is containing the number of substrings which follows our given condition. Okay, so this was a very easy question, and if you have any doubt or suggestion, just put it in the comment section and keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.